Morning, everybody.
Good morning. Happy Easter, you
Happy
guys.
Easter. This is day 20 of the Quarantine Gardeners video journal, us.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So here we are. We're out front of our house. We're going to do some watering this morning.
We're just going to kind of take it easy today and enjoy the beautiful day. We've got a couple projects on our list. Always.
Yeah, we're slowing it down. We're going to do some watering out here, but then we're going to take some time for ourselves. Just relax. And we hope you can do the same. So here we go watering.
Hey, there's Sean watering in action.
Yep, we're watering our front yard here. You can see I'm using a watering wand, one of many that we have, and this is a really nice one. Just so you know, if you wanted to look at something like this for your yard, this is Graham. It's a watering rain wand, and it's really cool. It has different settings on it that click. So basically what you do is you use the easy on-off thumb control there, and then you can take this and you can do that, or you can do that. A lot of different settings on this. Pretty cool, huh? Oops, sorry.
Hey, got me wet.
Oops. I didn't mean to do that.
Now I'm awake.
Yep, we're watering in the morning, so one, we get it done, and then we don't have to worry about it pretty much for the rest of the day for our yard. We have nice thick mulch. We have some really decent soil here that we built up over many years, and so the mulch helps the soil retain the moisture through the day. And so if it's not too hot out, like 75 or 80 degrees, we can just water once in the morning, and we're set to go pretty much for the rest of the day if it doesn't get too hot out here. So besides making it easier for us to be out here and water in the morning and then not having to do it the rest of the day, it's also good for the plants because they've woken up. They're now getting the sun, they're waking up for the day, or they already have in this case. They're using water, they're using oxygen, and they're going through their whole metabolic process, and they need the water sooner rather than later. So it's always good to just water in the morning, sometimes even before the sun comes up. Now if you're watering turf, that can be a different set schedule for watering, but we are not turf experts, so we're not even going to go into that, but just wanted to mention that, just food for thought on that. But plus it's also good to come out here in the morning because it's nice and quiet. Not a lot of the neighbors are out, and you can enjoy your yard. Right now we're social distancing, so it's always a good thing to come out here and have this space all to yourself. It's nice.
Okay, well that's it. That's a wrap for today. We got our front yard watered, and it should be all good for the day ahead.
So make sure you get out there if you need to, water your plants, get everything hydrated, and then go inside or stay outside. Enjoy the rest of your day. You know, this should be a day just to relax and take it easy. So be good to yourselves, okay?
And have a great day ahead, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with day 21.
Yep.
Hard to believe.
Yep, I know, 21 days. We're going to be in quarantine for 21 days. Crazy. But remember, we're in this together. Things are going to get better. They already are. And just stay positive.
We'll see you tomorrow, you guys.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.